Hey guys, Dan's Restorations, back again with another video. Today I'm showing you a quick toolbox tour, and you can see some of the newer tools that I've gotten. As you can see, I still have the Dayton drill press that I have yet to restore, but go from there. Have the Bauer bench grinder, have my welder from Chicago Electric, my newer toolbox, have my Hercules radio. Top I have this gear wrench bit set, have the Icon precision screwdrivers, this Icon bit set right there, some upholstery tools, have my Icon stubby wrenches, my Icon torque set, my nut drivers, my Icon snap ring plier set, have this telephone cable crimping tool that I need to restore. This pair of scissors that I need to restore. Empty. Another empty drawer. This vise I did restore at one point. I didn't like it, so I'm going to be restoring it again. I have a snap-on 1/2-inch breaker bar, have an auto wrench, and a wood clamp that I'm going to also be restoring. Wood clamp doesn't need too much, just a quick wipe down. Hercules tools, I have the 3/8 long cordless ratchet, 1/4-inch impact 3/8 inch impact screw gun, cut-off wheel, my rigid impact driver, snap-on toolbox. I have this little oiler, some other odd and end stuff, another clamp, screwdriver that I cut the end off. This one I made. Let's see. Bit holder, it's Excel-Lite, and here's the extension for it, then all these bits for it. A lot of wrenches that I need to just do a quick cleanup on. Extra drill bits. Some wrenches and pliers that I need to restore. This one was one of my first restorations that I've done. I don't like it, so I'm redoing the whole thing. Some more pliers that I need to do or redo. Some other screwdrivers. These are Allen screwdrivers, bit driver. Some dies and a pry bar. Giant pair of crescent wrench, hammer, chipping hammer, another hammer, bigger pair of the what's the name of it? Auto wrench, another hammer, hand drill. Okay, this drawer I have this little toolkit that I restored. Came out pretty nice. Also have this wrench that I'm going to be getting an adapter made up for this. So that'll be pretty cool. Rigid pliers or wrench. Two more hand drills and a toolbox. All my chargers. And an empty drawer. Here we go, we got this toolbox. We have the Milwaukee flashlight right there. All my 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch sockets. Got the Milwaukee screwdriver set, and then gear wrench. This is a Craftsman. This is a ratcheting one. Another gear wrench. Wow, what's the name of it? Pry bar. I have 2 speed wrenches. This one is a Par-X, USA made. Then I think this one is a Craftsman, if I'm right. Yeah, if it focuses. Anyway, it's a Craftsman. Tape measure. All my ratchets. And then I have a Snap-on bit driver. That one is fairly new. Snap-on thumb ratchet. This is 1/4 inch drive. If it focuses, there we go. Mostly it's Craftsman. I have some regular Pittsburgh. This one, Proto. I have 2 Icons, Husky. This one is Firestone. This is an Icon. This one's an Icon as well. Security bit set. Got some picks, some precision screwdriver set, some Torx, odd and end screwdrivers, some screwdriver bits. Over here, got all my pliers. Got the Robo Grip, regular pipe wrench, diagonal cutters. Got this Icon pipe wrench style. Needle nose, angled needle nose, vice grips, these that I cleaned up a little while ago. Not sure about the name. Bridgeport. Upholstery tool. I think this is either, this might be my gear wrench one, not sure. Milwaukee. Another panel pusher tool. These Snap-on pliers. Did a short about that. A pair of slip joint pliers. My newest tool that I got, these Snap-on long reach diagonal cutters. Just got them yesterday. Wrench drawer. You can see I made a huge improvement on these. All organized. These ones are my standard. So you got your standard regular, standard ratchet, metric ratchet, metric regular, and we have a couple adjustable. Here's a Husky 12-inch. This is Proto 10-inch. Then we have auto wrench. I forget the brand. Let's I don't know. Too lazy to look for it. Then we have Gerard wrench. And we have this Baco wrench with the alligator side on it. Really like these. I use these every single day at work. I just brought them home for this video, along with these. Use these every single day at work. Actually bought these for work. But I'm just gonna keep them out that way, don't forget them. And I have just a spare wrench right here. This one is an SK 17 millimeter. Just leave that there because I already have a 17 there. Now the expensive drawer. I have my Milwaukee Hacksaw, Milwaukee brushless impact driver, Milwaukee angle grinder, half-inch impact wrench, 3/8 cordless ratchet, angled die grinder, hammer drill, regular drill, impact driver. Got the basically Dremel pretty much, but his version. I have my multi-tool, I think. Yeah, multi-tool. And I have the soldering iron, which I still have yet to use. I actually used the half-inch impact wrench on a project that I did last week. Down there I just have a couple saws, a sander, battery jumper. Workbench, all my batteries right there, hammers, clamps, some SAE, T-handle, Allen wrench set. Got my sliding compound miter saw down there, slide hammer, torque sticks, tap and die set, another kind of socket set. I think it's the oxygen sensor socket set. I don't remember. I don't feel like taking it out right now. I have the radiator pressure test kit. I have a few of the nailers. I have my buffing wheel, a giant tap and die set down there. I have an extra ground clamp for my welder, wire brush. I have these guys, some files, small files, some punches, a chisel, cutoff wheel for my cutoff tool, my electrical drawer. I have some heat shrink. I have different terminal piece set. Have a Arts and Crafts heat gun. I have the battery, what's it called? It basically cleans the battery terminals. Got my wire strippers, crimpers, multimeter, test light down there. Got my workbench. That's where the small vise went. Shop vac, small air compressor. Then we got this vise that I've had for a few years now. I took it all apart, cleaned it all up, repainted it, and I think it looks pretty nice. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.